Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that. And the other day we tell you it's a Beenie Man get through and going back to UK. You know, his visa was taken away and some people were saying he finally paid the child support. And you don't know the things that him just post up a picture with somebody that looks very distinctively like him. Yes. People them is wondering how much youth Beenie Man have, and you don't know the things that as a dancehall artist. Anywhere in the world you touch, you have to breathe something. So I'm pretty sure him have a bag of youth in the UK, but him post up with a youth here, and the people them is questioning his straightness, you know. They said based off of his fingers, him look like a fish, you know. And things and big clothes and people I don't know, you know. Me just the messenger and the people them say, yo, King, is this Beenie Man's son? I don't know if this is his son, people. Wanna have to tell me, put in the comment section. Wanna know me and a dancehall historian. If the son is a fish, well, fish running in blood. You see me answer? Cause him daughter come out the other day and said that she, you know, lean sided and all of these things, and you don't know the things that Bounty Killer and Ninja Man for them youths youth, you know, I swim for the other side. So bless up yourself, Beenie Man. I guess that's why he apologized the other day. I don't know, you know, people, but just giving that quick update on the situation and let's proceed. And now it has been brought to my attention that Iwaata's baby mother responds to Pretty dissing her in a song. You don't know the things that people will post up the video with Pretty in another UK radio station, you know. Just have vibes out on the microphone and you know what I mean, she fling out some shots towards Iwaata and then baby mother saying that basically he rates me more than you. You know what I mean? So she took to her Instagram story today to answer a few questions from her followers, and you don't know the things that people them ask her. I saw on YouTube say Pretty talk about you in her song. How does it feel? And she said, "Girl, sing for girl themselves." Boy. Hey, let's see what else they asked her. And somebody else, you know, say Pretty this year. And she said she dissed herself. Honestly, people, I think the girl is just answering questions. I think if she wanted to diss Pretty, she would put out a dissing statement. You know what I mean? Them you gotta look like them bad. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, but speaking about Pretty and things, TC and dancing shitty pebbles. The streets is talking. You feel me? The street is saying that the dolls them now buzz with nothing. You know what I'm saying? And if anybody is buzzing in the dolls, it's just TC. His side. Pretty as well. But them said the one dancing shitty pebbles, she's just a tag along, you know, dead weight and things. People, I'm not lying. You can look in at my comment section. You know, my comment section is the realest comment section out here. You know, run yourself people not afraid to speak their mind and things. And honestly, people, I've been saying that dancing shitty pebbles don't know what she had deal with, you know. And honestly, people are talking and saying that TC wants to look like Spice and Pretty and Rebel are just the same dancers that Spice normally. Basically, people think that they're booking Spice and her dancers because TC looks like Spice. You know what I mean? She got that dark, natural melanin thing to her, and TC look good, you know? So when you see the flyers and all of them thing that, you know, people think, say, oh, it's Spice, you know what I mean? Because they recognize the dancers, you know? But TC is definitely the star of the crew, and I don't think these girls should focus as a group. I think they should all focus on their individual self, you know what I mean? Like, TC definitely got it. Pretty definitely got it. Dancing Shitty Pebbles not have nothing but her. You see me as a people. She can't sing. Everybody a dance. she just looked mischievous and chatty. And remember, say at one point they wasn't even effing with TC. When Spice said, "Yo, everybody need to get the hell out of my group," everybody was basically throwing TC under the bubble, you know what I mean? But it looked like TC is the smartest one out of all of them. That's why Spice was giving her the money to buy the things. You see me, I say? And this is why Danny said TC is the leader for them, you know. So TC, I think you should drop Dancing Shitty Pebbles and, you know, you and Pretty Gonna Ways, because y'all are doing your thing, you know. You feel I'm saying individually, but that's all I wanted to say. The people that ask me, and me, I tell them, you see me? Let's proceed.
For telling us I can't be everybody cup of tea because it's not a fucking mug. Everybody should take responsible for them own action. Anything happen and you can't stand up and put up on a hand and face what man want pine finger upon people. I make me telling a blood clot this. Me no like nobody but my blood clot self. I mean I care who want pussy won't like me because God like me. I say all in a bumper wall of song I have me for a party. Me no nothing because I'm a same pussy tongue one I used to draw like caterpillar and slingshot. On a class out my blood clot until I see my thing get official. I'm stand up for myself. Me never sit down and wait for nobody to stand up for me, Queenie. Me always rude and believing that me not dead in a silence and no bomber wall. On a girl kiss kitty KY minus blood clot plus slam bomb the whole blood clot like I know. When me there at Jamaica, I'm a trap down there. On a turn against blood clot, me and class out my blood clot. I'm a turn against blood clot and class out on a pussy hole. I'm gonna know say the queen reign and God is not dead, he's alive. And Father God, everybody responds to them own bomber whole sin. I mean I want nobody come on my platform, come bother blood clot me. For my own, I'm work hard for. How much disrespect me get for reach this far I reach. When I go, hey, when I for glad my blood clot married and the married flying on my pussy wall head. Cause the married never flying on my head. God know what mother said it. When I low bomber wall me man, on a go and fuck off. I love blood clot me be myself. Fuck off. Bomber clot. Me no want no blood clot body like me. And I can't blood clot poison me, and I can't do me nothing. Cause my God is blood clot real. Me no licky. Me no love likes and me no love sweets. Me look my blood clot one. So nobody can pussy hold me and kill me. No go.
Big up yourself, Queen. You see me, I say. Me don't know why them keep on about the woman, you know. Now, dancehall Empress Amari bigs up Popcaan for, you know, singing Rise Dirty Bungle, cause it's a hit song. Last year with Nico had all the artists singing it. Now it's Rise Dirty Bungle and Popcaan. He's in quarantine, so I guess he had a time to mess around. So let's take a listen to him singing it and things.
That one your name quarantine. Quarantine. Man, I feel like up in a bumble clad house. I'm not business though. Stay by myself and parley clear. Fuck. I'm not dealing out in early. Everything flamesy. Lead to eye. Head to sky. And all the business. Feet. That is it. Anyway, me pull up is a shot then. Food me a kakina and tell na. If you say get feet. Rise dirty bungle. Rise dirty bungle. Some gal Lego.
Big up yourself, Mari. It's definitely a good look. And people, it's definitely not looking good for Nicki Minaj right now, you know? I don't want to say the whole of Trinidad is feeling some type of way about Nicki, but certainly for sure the athletes is, you know? Them say she this up she's Carrie Richardson the other day, or Richards. I know them. It's coming for Nicki's blood again, yes. Michelle Lee says that it looked like she have to win some medals for get attention from Nicki. You see me, I say? And she tagged Nicki. Like, boy, people, you know me, no beg nobody shout out, you know? So I can't feel what these people are feeling. You see what I'm saying? Nicki must know why she not big on her up. You see me, I say? But I don't think it's because Nicki don't love her Trinidadian roots. But nevertheless, people, she tagged Nicki, and you don't know the barbs when fuming after Nicki responded. And you don't know the things that I deal with some things and things. But when we go up on Michelle Lee Instagram page and Twitter page, everything they on private. Everything them they on private. You see me, I say? Jaja. Ja. But I was just giving this quick update, and you don't know the things that Jamaican people is blasting these people in the comment section. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make you see some of the tweets them from Black Jamaica Twitter dealing with these people's case, you know, and defending Nicki. Like I said, when I can take Shen's here, and we'll keep Nicki, you know. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I run and say get the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.